In this question we have given that two sides of a rhombus are along the lines x minus y plus 1 equals to 0 and 7x minus y minus 5 equals to 0. If its diagonals intersect at minus 1 comma 2, then we have to find the one of the other vertex of the rhombus. Let's draw the lines first. Let this line be x minus y plus 1 equals to 0 and this line be 7x minus y minus 5 equals to 0. This point A, B, C, D, saying that the diagonals of the rhombus intersect at minus 1 minus 2.
पूरा वीडियो सोल्यूशन देखें डाउटनट ऐप पर।